Hey there, I am Nisha. Are you someone looking to kickstart or level up your career in IT but not sure where to begin? Whether you're a complete beginner or already have some experience, today I'm here to guide you through the best IT courses and job opportunities that are in high demand right now. Stick around because this might just be the boost your career needs. Let's get started. Okay, Nisha, this is very helpful for us. Thank you. Okay, first things first. Before diving into any IT course, it's super important to know where you want to go. Take some time to reflect on your interests. Do you enjoy solving problems with code? Maybe software development is for you? Or do you love working with data and analytics? In that case, data science could be the perfect fit. Ask yourself, what kind of IT professional do you want to become? Okay, now that you've thought about your goals, let's talk courses. If you're a beginner, don't worry. We've all been there. Starting off with web development or Python programming is a great choice. These fields are growing fast and there's always demand for skilled developers. And web development includes languages like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. While Python is great for everything from automation to data science. Now we will discuss intermediate and advanced IT courses. If you've already got some experience under your belt, you might want to look into full stack development, cloud computing with AWS or Azure, or even data analytics with tools like Power BI and Tableau. And full-stack developers work on both the front end and back end of applications. While cloud computing is a game changer with platforms like AWS and Azure taking over the tech industry. And if you're data-driven, learning how to use analytics tools can lead to exciting roles like data analyst or data scientist. Now coming for job preparation. Okay, you've got the courses down. But how do you stand out in the job market? It's all about showcasing your skills. Create a solid portfolio where you can display the projects you've worked on, whether that's code you've written, apps you've built, or data insights you've developed. And don't forget about your resume and LinkedIn profile. Highlight the skills and certifications you've earned and tailor them to the jobs you're aiming for. It can make all the difference when recruiters are browsing through hundreds of profiles. So now, we will discuss about high-demand IT jobs in 24. So what kind of jobs are in demand right now? Let's break it down. Software engineers. If you're good with Python, JavaScript, or Java, this is for you. Data analysts, scientists. With skills in tools like Power BI, SQL, and Python, you'll be helping companies make data-driven decisions. Cloud engineers, specializing in AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud, can lead to amazing opportunities. Cybersecurity experts, protecting data has never been more critical. The tech world moves fast, and so should you. Keep upskilling through platforms like Coursera, Udemy, or by earning certifications. Whether it's AWS Certified Solutions Architect, Salesforce Admin, or CompTIA Security Plus, these certifications add serious value to your resume. And there you have it, a quick guide to building your IT career. Remember, the key is to stay curious and keep learning. So what are you waiting for? Start your journey today, and who knows, your dream IT job could be just around the corner. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and career guidance. See you in the next video. Thank you so much, Nisha. You explain very well now. We know which course good for us. Thanks once again, Nisha.